If you think about it, most of our communication is not planned. It's not the presentation, the pitch, the meeting with agendas. Most of our communication happens in the moment. It's the questions we're asked, the feedback we're asked to give, the toast or tribute at an event. It could be the small talk we're having. Most of our communication happens in the moment. I call that spontaneous speaking. And yet we never learn how to do that. And so it's the most frequent communication we do, and we aren't equipped well to do it. So that's the problem I'm trying to solve. And what does that look like? It looks like somebody who is confident and comfortable in the moment when they are called up to do whatever it is they're called up to do. Maybe they make a mistake and they have to fix it. Maybe their boss turns to them and says, "Would you mind introducing this person?" It's that confidence and that quiet way of just getting it done. All of us can, through preparation, get better at this. And people are like, preparing to be spontaneous, that sounds counterintuitive. But if you've ever played a sport or you played jazz music, you know that you have to prepare. You know, jazz musicians don't just play any note. They play certain chord progressions that they've learned before. Athletes, in the moment of doing their sport, are basing what they're doing on the preparation, practice, and drills they've done before. And in doing that preparation, it allows you to be your authentic self, to be in the moment, to be of service. You're not in your head. You're not judging. You're not evaluating. So absolutely, I enjoy any opportunity where somebody has an authentic communicative experience, be it a best person toast or if it's an awards acceptance or even in small talk.